Hey guys, it's Toby, we're back, and today we're going to be doing something what you guys aren't expecting for, and we are going to be going on a dirt bike track, on dirt buggies, like not little electric ones, proper, what they called, dirt buggies, and it's going to be really fun, and it's not the best weather for it, but I think it'll still be okay. It'll be really slippy, and guys, let's get into it.
Right guys, now we're here and I've just done some warm-ups and it's really fun.
Right guys, I'm just being in it, just done some skidding, and like I'm just warming up my hands because they're really cold at the moment, and that's what we're gonna do, and I'll be on it in a minute. There's some other people here doing some motorbikes what look really dangerous. Guys, I've just got back home. I'm really muddy. It's been a really fun day in the buggies, and I'm really muddy and cold. My hands are bright red. And shout outs go to Ben in New Zealand right now. Hopefully you're having a good time because you're all the way in New Zealand and must be having a great time in all that beautiful sun, and we're in this grey sky. And hopefully you're having a good time, and please just subscribe and like, and guys, peace out.